Okay, so this video is specially for your English Literature 5, Paper 7, Part 3rd of your English Honours. It is the introduction of Joseph Conrad, who wrote Heart of Darkness. So Joseph Conrad was known as Konrad Korzeniowski. Okay, so you can always write in your paper that if it is about Joseph Conrad, he used to known as Konrad Korzeniowski. Okay, so he born in Russia, Poland in 1857. His parents died when he was young. So at the age of 17, he went to Marseille to become apprentice. So apprentice merchant in marine means intern बनने गए थे वो merchant marine में. ओके और उनके पेरेंट्स जो थे वो यंग एज में उनकी डेथ हो गई थी. वो रशिया पोलैंड में पैदा हुए थे 1857 में. सो यू नीड टू बेसिकली लर्न दीज 3 points first if you are going to give the introduction for Joseph Conrad. And apart from this, I would want you to tell that if you get any question from Heart of Darkness, you should write the introduction about the writer. Okay, so he became the British subject in 1886. So he born in 1857, and by 1886 he became British subject. At the age of 31, he came to London. So when he came to London, he came as a marine merchant only. And then in holidays, he started writing about sea. So basically, he began writing on a sea novel. It was having jungle travel or shipwreck on the Congo. So it was about that. The novel was inspired by his experiences at sea. So basically, whatever he used to write, it was about sea, and his novels were known as sea novels, which he never liked. But then it was about jungle travel, shipwreck on the Congo. So that's all. Okay, so he died in 1924. So you can learn it. अभी तक लर्न हो भी चुका होगा कि 1857 में वो पैदा हुए थे और 1924 में उनकी डेथ हो गई थी. किस रीज़न की वजह से हुई थी? ड्यू टू इलनेस. जस्ट दैट्स ऑल यू आर गोइंग टू राइट इन द पेपर. सो ही रोट द बेस्ट सी स्टोरीज इन इंग्लिश. So you see here, he began writing on a sea novel in London at the age of 31. He became the British subject in 1886. His novels were inspired by his experiences at sea. He wrote best sea stories in English. He was genius in setting atmosphere, conveying the peculiar magic mystery of the sea. So he was genius. I mean to say कि जब हम लोग लिखते हैं, एक होता है ना कॉन्टेक्स्ट सेट कर देते हैं सामने वाले के दिमाग में, तो ऐसे ही वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट सेट कर देते थे, एक एटमॉस्फेयर बना देते थे, और जो कि बहुत वियर्ड होता था. किसके बारे में? मैजिकल मिस्ट्री ऑफ द सी. ओके, सो ही वॉज द मास्टर ऑफ हिज विजन. हिज फर्स्ट नॉवल वॉज एल्मेयर्स फॉली, and his second novel was The Nigger, Sea and Practicality of Life. So it was about the sea and practicality of life. Then Typhoon, it was a long story of Captain Steamship. So that's all you're going to write about Joseph Conrad. And I do have the second question of it, which states that how were the writings of Joseph Conrad. So we'll talk about it in our next video. Thank you.